Hey loves, it's your girl Chef Joya, and today we're going to get into these Navajo tacos. I'll make sure I include all the details of this recipe in the description box below, and I'll also include the ingredients on the screen here. I'm choosing to do Navajo tacos today because it holds a special place in my heart. I used to attend a festival called Indian Summer in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and it was one of the nation's largest native festivals. Growing up, we would go every year, and I would watch the powwow contest mesmerized, and I truly just admired the costumes and the dancing. And then we would go to the marketplace and we would explore and watch how they made the baskets and the jewelry crafting. One of my most cherished memories was of an elder gentleman that would do this dance every year, and immediately after it would rain with no explanation. I was told by some other kids that he was doing a rain dance. I'm not sure how true it was, but it happened every time. So I guess a part of me still believes it. Now, the special place in my heart for this recipe is that I would see people walk around with these Navajo tacos. And of course, I could not eat them because I grew up vegan. And I wanted to make a vegan version of this recipe for Indigenous People Day, just in case there is someone out here that no longer eats meat, but they still want to eat their native food. Here you go. These Navajo tacos are all about the fry bread and a special connection to the Navajo Nation, which has become legend in Southwestern cuisine. And before I end this video, I just want everyone to get their terminology together. To call this group of people Indian is offensive. Use Native American, Indigenous people, First Nations, or better yet, call them by their tribe if you know it.